Okay, so today we're going to be talking about how the processes of photosynthesis and the process of cellular respiration are connected. So, first of all, which ones are catabolic and anabolic? The first one, our cellular respiration, is considered catabolic. Now, that means that it will break down certain molecules. So it'll break down complex molecules like sugar or like carbon dioxide, and they will break them down into simpler molecules. So like glucose and fats, they will be released into something that would be called the catabolic pathways. So cellular respiration means that it will break things down, and it'll break things down. It'll break down more complex molecules into more simpler ones. So that being said, that means that photosynthesis is considered anabolic. Now that kind of does the complete opposite. What that does is that it builds complex molecules from the simpler ones. But the neat thing about that is that it will take the same molecules. But back to the anabolic. So it will build things from the simpler molecules. It'll build things like the glucose that the cellular respiration has broken down, and it will build up carbon dioxide. So how would they be related, though? And I mentioned that a second ago, a little bit earlier. They are related because they use the same sort of molecules. Whereas I said before that cellular respiration will break down the sugars into more simpler molecules, the photosynthesis will build the same molecules back up. So, whereas the cellular respiration will break down sugar, photosynthesis will take the molecules from that sugar and it will build it back up into the sugar that it was. So, that being said, are they maybe able to coexist? Or, sorry, not coexist, but exist without the other? Well, probably not. I made the analogy in my head earlier that cellular respiration and photosynthesis were kind of like a bully and a good Samaritan. So, like, the bully, being the cellular respiration, breaks down, like the person that they're bullying. And then photosynthesis comes around being a good Samaritan and brings that same person back up. And it makes them happy again. So, that being said, if you have a good Samaritan without somebody who's being bullied by a bully, then they're just a regular person. So, since photosynthesis can't build anything back up from the molecules from the cellular respiration, then there's no photosynthesis. It can't happen. So cellular respiration first has to break down the simple molecules, or break down into simple molecules, for the photosynthesis to bring the simple molecules back up. So, and thanks for listening.